love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today is chapter 76 in the entire Python, chapter 35 in NumPy, and this is the 6th chapter in the universal function. So we have done all the distributions, we are happy, but the functions, so it's like, we'll be using it some way or the other. First thing, we saw the introduction, we saw simple arithmetic, we saw logarithmetic, we saw a bunch of things, we saw the truncation, so we saw a bunch of things. So in the 6th chapter today, we'll be seeing about summation. So summation, if you actually see, there is a different school of thought. Initially, when we are actually learning as kids, whether like 5th grade, 6th grade, they say sum of two numbers or add two numbers. So you might actually ask me, why are you actually doing the summation? Because summation is very similar to addition. So you already showed me in the simple arithmetic, and what is the use here? Well, there is a difference between summation and addition. The addition is done between two arguments, whereas the summation happens over n elements. Alright, so this is all the Python, so arrays, vectors, elements and stuff of that nature, right? So that is two arguments. Okay, addition, and this is over to n number of elements. How do I do it? Add the values in array 1 to the values in array 2. Fine, so let me actually see this. So if I actually take this, it's very similar to that of addition. Import NumPy as NP, we all know this. I take this array 1, 2, 3. I take this array 1, 2, 3. I take this new array and then I say add. I add this into this. So this is 2, 4 and 6. That is what it should give me. Yep, 2, 4 and 6. Now, same thing, because that is how it is actually going to be doing it. So what I did was, this is add and this is sum. Okay, in order to just tell you the difference, this is add and this is the sum. So if you see here in the code, this is np.add and this is np.sum, but here it is just open and close parenthesis, but here there is an element here. So we have actually defined an element here. So that is the difference. Let's see the results. The results are 12. And why is it 12? I'll tell you. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So if we add everything, 3, 6, 3, 6, 12. So that is what it is actually giving. And this is giving us one variable. Okay. So you saw the difference in the code and you saw the difference in the answer. So that is the difference between summation and addition. So, just in case someone tricks you, you can trick them back. Okay. Now let's actually take this thing. So this is the sum and this is the same thing. Are we doing the same code? Yeah, it's the same code. Print new AVR. So I'm not sure why I actually put it here. Alright. Now summation over the axis. If you specify axis 1, NumPy will sum the numbers in each array. Okay. Now let's actually take this. Let's actually do this. So we know up to this, okay, which is the same. When I say like comma axis of 1, why am I actually specifying the axis and what does it do to me? Fine. 6 and 6. So it actually sums per the axis. So this is one axis, this is the other axis. This is how we got this 12. This is like 6 and 6. Okay, so this is one element, the other element. Now what is a cumulative sum? A cumulative sum, like we all know. Okay, so in order to do a cumulative sum, it is cum sum. Okay, so the cumulative sum is, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 3, 6, 10. So the answer should be 10. Or 1, 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, so it should be 1, 3, 6 and 10. So that is what it is here. Now in order to do a cumulative, we do a cum sum. Okay, cumulative sum, and this is the array. This is just like one thing. This is 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 3 and 6. So it should be 1, 3 and 6 with a cum sum. Let's see this. 1, 3 and 6. So this is all the lecture of summation. Even though the lecture is short, I believe you have actually understood it, probably liked it. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. I think now we have actually known the difference between a summation and an addition. Like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashree for allowing me to follow my passion. Till we see you next time, thank you, take care, and cheers.